For our myth, we did the 3-second rule. The 3-second rule is essentially applies to driving. If you're driving a car behind another one, the rule states that you should stay approximately 3 seconds behind the car in front of you. Going about 30 miles an hour, this means that you'd have to stay about 40.2 meters, or around 130 feet behind the car in front of you. Another example would be 40 miles an hour. You'd have to stay about 53.6 meters, or 174 feet behind them.
I don't know if my car can get to 40 in time. Alright, hit 40. Here. That wasn't much far. That was actually kind of far.
After testing the first car with no reaction, we got around 30 miles an hour. It took about 14.2 meters to stop. At 40 miles an hour, it took about 18.6 meters to stop. Now, in order to find time, we already had distance and velocity, so we plugged it into the velocity formula. We did 14.2 meters over 15.4112 meters per second. We got about 1 second to stop at 30 miles an hour. At 40 miles an hour, or 17.8816 meters per second, it took about 1.15 seconds to stop at 40.
No, we're gonna figure it out through, because you have the velocity and we have the time. V equals D over T. Flip it around, we have distance, right?
You're gonna do the math.
I think so. Are you on the hunt for where it was? No way, I did not stop that fast. I did not stop that fast.
Yes, you did.
No way.
Yes, you did.
Josh, I think it's user error.
I think I'm messing up.
After testing the second car with a reaction, at 30 miles an hour, we got around 1.6 and 1.8, which is an average of 1.7 seconds. At 40, we got about an average of 1.75 seconds. Your average reaction time between Matt and I was about 0.4 seconds, so this accounted into the 1.7 seconds. Distance is equal to velocity times time. So at 30 miles per hour, or 13.4 meters per second, if you multiply it by 1.7 seconds, we got about 22.8 meters to stop. At 40 miles an hour, we get about 31.5 meters to stop. So for the 3-second rule to apply at 30 miles an hour, it would be about 40 meters between the two cars. At 40, it would be about 53.6 meters between the two cars. So to tie this all together, the 3-second rule would give us about 40 meters between the two cars. The first one took 14.2 meters to stop, and the second one took 22. The difference would be 8.6, and if you subtract that, that's about 31. The same applies for a car going 40 miles an hour. Or the distance would be about 53.6 meters, and the difference between the two cars stopping would be about 12.7. If you subtract that, that still leaves a distance of 40 meters between the two cars. Overall, this can mean that the two are plausible.